Welcome back to RC3D. This is the video on my Scream 6 weathering. This is a 3D printed mask. I'll include the link in the description. You might have seen my previous video where I showed this one. In the original file for this mask, the sizing is about 45 centimeters long. After a bit of research, I found that the actual Scream mask is somewhere around 30 to 31 centimeters long, so I had to scale it down. So in this video I'm going to be showing you how I've weathered the Scream 6 mask. Right, so I have here some burnt umber brown just to get those layers in the print. And I'm just going to put a little bit in there. I'll be mixing this with a bit of water. And I have black as well. These are just basic acrylic paints I think I got from Amazon. Not very expensive. Okay, so I'm just going to mix my brush with a little bit of water. Do some black first. Plenty of that water on there. Okay, with the black we're going to hit all the creases. Just highlight all those details. Right, so now we're going to get a bit of tissue and just start wiping away the paint. I shouldn't try too quick. That's why we add the water to it. It lets it sink into all those cracks and crevices a lot easier, and it makes it really easy to wipe off too. We don't want much of this on our surface, but you can see those details standing out a lot better now. I'm probably going to get a little bit black in a minute and just go around the eyes. Really want those eyes to stand out on this. Okay, again, just going to get some more tissue and wipe off the bottom portion of the paint down here. And you can see it filling in all those spaces for the detail of the mask. So that was our first pass with the dark wash. Let's get a closer look here. You can see where it's starting to fill in all those cracks and details of this old mask. Now I'm just going to do a close up here of just what I'm going to focus on for the second pass. I'm just going to go in with a little bit more black, just hit some of these deeper areas. Yeah, I wasn't quite happy with the amount that had washed off. But you will find doing this that you probably will go in, you know, 3 or 4 times. It's better to do it this way than not put enough water in and then have to undo what you've done. It's definitely always easier to add than it is to take away. So yeah, just start wiping some of this off. We'll be going in with the burnt umber soon, just to add that extra layer. And yeah, it's just a close-up look of the detail. You could definitely see it changing, transforming, getting all those bits of that. Yeah, it's looking a lot better. It's nice. So going in now with another wash on the brown burnt umber. I went with the burnt umber because it kind of gives that dried blood effect into the mask. And now I'm going to add some white. I don't want to put on too much. I'm going to do a couple of coats of this. Right, so I'm using a matte black now, just in the mouth area and the nose. I want to take a lot of care not to get on any white. I am going to do the inside of the eye sockets as well in a moment. So you can see where I've gone over with the white. I'm going to add a little bit more. Just want to break up some of that surface where the dark wash was resting. And we want to make this look like a rubber mask as much as possible. So we want a couple of layers of this white, nice and thick like I'll do on the chin here. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please let me know. Like and subscribe, that really help me out and help you out to keep you up to date with future videos like this. Cheers.